His Majesty Osei Tutu II, Ɔsantehene, arrived in Memphis, Tennessee in a private jet. Otumfuo is in the city of Memphis as part of the celebration of Memphis in May, which occurs every single year in May, where they honor and celebrate a country. And this year it was Ghana. Otumfuo is here to stay for a week in Memphis as part of the celebration. His Majesty was greeted by the High Commission in Washington and members of the Ghanaian Association of Memphis, the community leaders of Memphis, as well as the CEO of Memphis in May, Jim Holt.
So glad to have you, and all I can say is it goes up from here. We're looking forward to a great time with you, and also helping to celebrate your birthday. All right, happy birthday in advance. So we're going to try to make it a royal birthday. Looking forward to it. Yes, sir. And you're looking good. You're so welcome. Thank you for coming to Memphis. You're so welcome. Take the shot. My grandchildren. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm going to go. Okay.
Also,
That was enough.
Okay, easy.
Sir.